Today, we thank the Lord for choosing our talented musician and hard-working brother, Reverend Father Gerald, to serve the Archdiocese of Lingayen Tagupon in his noble vocation as a priest. God has been gracious and merciful to Lingayen. Every moment is mercy. Today, after years of prayers, Lingayen is again gifted with a priest ready to love God and to serve the people. Walang hanggang pasasalamat, balbalag ya salamat, katawan ng Diyos mo. Father Gerald, why are you here? The road to priestly service is not easy. Obstacles and stumbling blocks are expected. U-turns and stop signs might confuse you. Yet, you are called to say yes. Unrewarding and unappreciated, say yes anyway. Father Gerald, discover to name the tune of your priesthood in 3 notes, starting today. The first note is Balik Tanaw, or simply said, we are what we remember. As a good disciple, don't forget the great command from Jesus. Gawin ninyo ito bilang pag-alala sa akin.
Do this in memory of me.
Araw-araw, magbalik tanaw kung sino ka. Unworthy, yet loved by God. Habitual sinner, yet habitually embraced by God's mercy. God is never tired of giving mercy to His repentant priests. If you find yourself discouraged and appreciated, magbalik ka sa Diyos at ulit-uliting pakinggan ang tinig na nagmamahal ng Diyos sa puso mo. The capacity to remember is the capacity to believe and to love deeper. And the ability to love deeper is the ability to commit to God. Do not forget to remember, Father Gerald, because you become what you remember. The second note is Balik Kaloob, or simply said, we become what we give. We live in a world that gets but not gives. We always want people to understand, but we don't always want to understand them. We always want people to listen to us, but we don't always want to listen to them. The art of giving is a personal choice. Can you give what should be yours and even the less that you have? Excuses and entitlement are unconscious pitfalls. If you show mercy, you get mercy. If you forgive others, you will be forgiven. As a priest, what can you therefore generously give up for God? The value of your priesthood is not how much you have received, but how much you have given up, which are of value to you. Balikan mo ang araw na ito. Balikan mo ang kaloob ng Diyos sa iyo. If you feel less and nothing, God has given you enough. And now, ibalik mo sa tao ang kaloob ng Diyos sa iyo. Tell me what you can give up in your ministry, and I will tell you what kind of priests you are. The third note is Balik Pananaw, or simply said, refocus. We become what we choose to see. In life, the only thing you can control is your focus. But each of us has his own story because of what you see most of the time. What catches your attention most of the time, Father Gerald? Sino ba at ano ba ang palagi mo nakikita? Failures and loss of love in priesthood are caused by loss of focus and broken focus. Ano ba ang totoong pari para sa iyo? As the principle goes, you cannot become what you cannot and do not want to see.
Sa aking pagsunod kay Jesucristo, simula nung sinundan ko ang Diyos sa bokasyon ng pagpapare, itong mga pangungusap ay ang laging tinatanong niya sa akin. Do you love me? Mahal mo ba ako? Katulad ni Pedro, paulit-ulit akong tinatanong. At sa banal na misang ito na aking unang pinagdiwang, ang Diyos nagtatanong ulit siya sa akin, Gerald, mahal mo ba ako? Ang tanging tugon ko lang ay katulad sa tugon ni Pedro. Lord, you know everything. You know that I love you. Panginoon, alam na alam mo ang lahat. Wala akong maitatago at maililihim sa iyo. Alam mo ang aking mga kahinaan, mga karupukan, mga pagkukulang ko, mga kasalanan. Alam mo at kilala mo ang aking buong pagkatao. Ngunit alam ko sa sarili ko na mahal din kita. Ang tanging tugon ko lamang sa pagmamahal mo, Panginoon, ay ang pagmamahal din sa iyo. Kahit kadalasan ay kulang na kulang, hindi sapat at di ko mapantayan. Panginoon, alam mo na mahal kita. Turuan mo ako na mahalin kita ng lubusan.
Reverend Father Gerald, the three notes have one common word: balik. Yes, balik must be your constant attitude in your priesthood. God knows you will fall short and commit mistakes along the way. Alam ng Diyos yan. You always be repentant, son. Let your heart long for Him again. Never forget to long for balik sa Diyos. Have courage. Hindi masama na paulit-ulit kang babalik sa Diyos. Ang mahalaga ay siya ang binabalik-balikan mo. Make your passion to return to God by your action. Be grateful and trusting for where God will lead you. Father Gerald, become what you remember. Balik pananaw. You become what you give. Balik kaloob. And you become what you see. Balik pananaw. You become the joy of your priesthood is the assurance that God will embrace you pag palagi mo siyang binabalikan. We are broken, yet we are called to be a companion of Jesus.